In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run test orders on Squarespace. This is a useful process when you want to make sure your store checkout is working properly before accepting real customer purchases. A test order lets you experience the shopping flow the same way a customer would, so you can confirm that products can be added to the cart, the checkout page loads correctly, and your store is set up the way you expect. To begin, go to your Squarespace site dashboard and click the search icon at the top. In the search field, type in the word test. This is a quick way to find the setting you need without having to manually browse through multiple menus. When the search results appear, click on Store Test Mode. Once you're in that section, make sure Test Mode is enabled. This is the key setting that allows you to place a practice order without processing a real live transaction. Before moving on, take a moment to confirm that this option is turned on so the order you place stays in testing rather than acting like a real customer payment. After that, return to the main dashboard area and click on Pages. From there, click on Shop to open your store pages. This takes you to the part of your site where your products are displayed and where you'll be able to simulate the customer shopping experience. Next, click the preview icon in the top right corner. Preview mode is helpful because it shows you the storefront from the visitor's perspective. Once the shop page opens, click on any product you want to test. It doesn't matter which product you choose for this walkthrough, as long as it's available in your store. On the product page, click Add to Cart. This confirms that the product can be selected properly and added to the shopping cart. Then click Checkout to move into the checkout flow. At the checkout page, enter the information needed to complete the test order. Be sure to use safe test information only, not any real sensitive personal or payment details. The goal here is simply to verify that the form works, the checkout steps appear correctly, and the order process behaves as expected from beginning to end. And that's it. By following this process, you can safely test your Squarespace store and catch any issues before real customers do. It's a simple but important quality check that helps make sure your shopping experience is smooth and professional.